Alright, hello no one. Welcome back to Wasted Space on my hard drive. Today...
I'm in the video.
Did you say
That's
no?
okay.
Did you say no one?
Yeah, nobody watches these unless I show them to people. Today we are going to be doing my dad's hair. Like, I do mine. I like some good curls. I just got this curling iron on my dad's Amazon account and this spray on my dad's Amazon account.
And I reap the rewards of all of these.
Of all of these
purchases
things, he is right now. So thank you and you're welcome. So today I'm going to be
This is
taking
why I work.
my Tresemme Repair and Protect Spray.
Please repair it and protect it.
So there's not a lot left, so I'll be making an Amazon order tonight, but
Please repair it and protect it.
so my dad just bought a new lovely hairbrush. There you go.
2% of all sales goes to women's shelters.
It does. That's very good of you, Dad.
That's why I bought it.
It's sort of like a wooden bamboo kind of situation. I'm going to put your hair up in this scrunchie I stole from Gracie. The top part of your hair. I have been enjoying doing my hair in curls recently, especially before my haircut. Because my hair is kind of at an awkward length with my current color. Sometimes there's a little bit of Little Orphan Annie vibes, but you know what? It's okay. I'm going to be taking this Pantene hairspray and spraying it onto the hair before I curl it.
Don't burn my hair off.
I'm not.
Like royalty.
Like 18th century.
Yes.
You say the price of my love's not a price that you're willing to pay. You cry.
It's Hamilton.
So I'm rotating the position of his curls from forward to like going this way to going this way so that they don't all blend together into sort of one big curl. So,
It's gonna be a little bit crunchy.
That's okay.
Hairspray is crunchy.
It's a little bit crunchy. The only thing better than hairspray, that's me. Shadoo-ba-doo-ba-doo-wah. The only thing better than hairspray,
Hairspray, wow.
that's me.
What does he say? He's like
Forget the milkman.
something about.
Give me a stiff one.
Oh my gosh. That's at the end.
What does that mean?
Like it was.
No, like the main cast.
I think they were in like grade 11.
Wow, we're gonna be in grade 11.
You girls,
Can't
juniors.
be more than 16. And
Wait.
she's got a way of making
Oh,
a boy
yeah.
act like a clown.
She wanted to get the new girl in town. She's hip, so cool.
I'm gonna get her after school. And yet we'd like to be like her. Cause she's the kitten that the cats prefer. The new girl in town. Got my guy on a string. The new girl in town. Hey, look, she's wearing a ring. I can't stop crying. With joy in my own tears, I'm gonna drown. Yeah, I think that's what oh, how did I say that?
Bamboo.
The yes, your charity brush.
3%. Have you ever watched Star Trek before?
No.
I look like warrior.
I watched like a bit of it.
Especially with my forehead getting old and kind of wrinkly. Just like a Klingon warrior.
Yeah, for sure.
And a hairdo.
I don't have a lot of wrinkles here.
Ultra clutch.
Ariel?
No, it's like.
Ariel.
What makes a man?
Oh.
Ultra clutch. So if you're a redhead, a blonde or brunette, woo, take my advice, and you might just the
get
only thing better than hairspray, that's me. Forget the milkman, the only thing.
Carol Baskin.
do you remember Carol Baskin? Killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed him to tigers, they snacking. What was happening? Carol Baskin.
Can't convince me it didn't happen. Carol Baskin.
Tiger Fed him to tigers. To
Tiger, kill him, Baskin.
What's happening?
What's happening? Carol Baskin.
Toxic and fragile masculinity has left the chat.
Have I ever been fragile?
No, I'm saying like toxic masculinity has left the chat. Like you don't have toxic masculinity.
Oh, good.
You're beautiful.
I am gorgeous.
Pick
You
up
are
our
hot
shit.
and beautiful.
Security. Well done.
How are you feeling?
Beautiful.
I feel fabulous.
Yeah, you look gorgeous. You look
I do.
you kind of look like a
Classy, bougie, rancid.
Ratchet.
Ratchet.
yeah.
Not rancid.
Mr. Rancid.
Close your eyes.
Rancid's not good.
Close your eyes.
Oh, I don't want a lot of that.
It's gonna be crunchy when he sleeps.
Yeah.
It crunches when you're sleeping. It crunches when you're awake. It crunches whether you're
Dad,
bad
you're
or
beautiful.
crazy, Dad.
No, that's what you want. You want to
No,
give a
Rose, that's
body.
what I do. I go like this after I get curled.
You're crunching it more.
I look like Medusa.
What's happening?
I'll turn you to stone.
Dad, oh honey. Okay. Okay. You're just kind of like there.
Did I rack it?
A little bit. You look beautiful. Do you feel beautiful?
I feel beautiful. Thank you very much for my makeover.
Yeah.
My
Thank you.
curls. It brings me back to like grade 9 when I used to go get perms
Thank you for
back in the day. Now I don't need perms because
These old follicles just kind of curl on their own.
Yeah.
but this gives it some extra boost.
Exactly.
It's
Thank
very
you for
nice.
giving me the password to your.
Amazon account.
Your Amazon account, which made
Ouch.
this, and the curler and the spray all happened. So
Oh wow.
happy Canada Day.